Thanks for coming to Coin Draft Market Hunt. Here is where we change your crypto journey. Are you sick of keeping an eye on the market all the time? Thanks to our $1,000 and $100,000 trading challenge, you can trade like a pro without having to sit at your computer all day. It only costs $79 a month. You can instantly copy the trades I make. Sign up for Satoshi Swiss today and step up your crypto game. Let's take over the world of crypto together. To join, click on the first link in the description below. Now let's get to the movie. Blown up billions of XR triple coins. Are you ready for the rise that's coming? Today we're going to go on a trip into the middle of a huge event where the value of XRP has burned to a huge number of units. Not only are the numbers changing because of this milestone, but the XRP record itself is also changing. If you have XRP, you need to watch the video right away. On this exciting journey, the never ending fire of XP's own burn process is deciding its fate, pulling out. The effect is clear, and just think about having burned almost 12 million XRP. The total stock has already dropped to about $54 billion because of the flames from the burn mechanism. In this trip, let's imagine that each burnt coin is a step toward a stronger and more efficient XRP ecosystem. Burning XRP is like removing a very small number of currencies on purpose. When things like money trades happen on the XRP network, this is what happens. A small fee that is taken away after each transaction keeps people from making trades without permission. Over time, having more XRP makes leftover currency less common, which could make it worth more for people who own it. It's kind of like having a small collection of one of a kind items. The less of them there are, the more valuable they are. Trustworthy sources give us a strong base for our journey to the XRP burn milestone and shed light on the smaller details. Real time data from XRP Scan, a top blockchain explorer service for the XRP ledger. Let us see how the burn process affects things without hiding anything. Another reliable site is Burn Tracker. You helps us learn more by predicting the XRP assets that will be burned and showing how the rate of burn is steadily going up. The story has a strong voice from Panos Makris, a prominent crypto expert. In a recent release, he talked about the interesting trend of more than 12 million XRP tokens being burnt. Makris' views are helpful because they show how important this turning point is for the XRP community and the cryptocurrency scene as a whole. I think you don't realize how important that event was. Let me go into more depth about that. Let's look at the newest information that paints a moving picture of this ongoing action during the XRP burn pulse. 2,900 XRP coins have been burned in the last hour alone. If we look back to the day before, we can see that more than 10,000 coins were burned. The burn rate went up over the past week and used up an amazing 73,000 XR points. Going all the way back to December, fire has destroyed about 300,000 XRP coins. The story goes even further when you look at the whole past year. More than 1,300,800 XR points have been burned. You can see from these numbers that the XRP ecosystem is always changing and growing thanks to the burn process. To put it simply, as we go deeper into the process, it's important to know what burning XP coins means in real life. Based on the current market price of about 60 cents per XRP, the assets that were burned have a large monetary value of at least $7 million. This is not just a symbolic burn. The market value of XRP as a whole is going down. The flames of the burn mechanism not only change the amount of XRP available, but they also have a big effect on the coin market's value, which shows how important the process is from an economic point of view. Because it is being burned, the price of our favorite coin could hit a new high this year. Not only is it interesting that more than 12 million extra points were burned, but it is also changing how the market works. In just the last day, the value of XRP has gone up a lot. You can think of this rise as a response to the steady drop in the number of coins in circulation, which is caused by the burn process slowly using up the coins. While we wait for this environment to change, we can't help but worry about where the price of XRP will likely go in the future. The burn adds an interesting layer of variety now that the amount in circulation is over $54 billion, which is a big drop from where it started. Similarly, in the world of crypto, less of something has always meant its worth. Good to the present burn make it possible for the price of XRP to slowly go up. It's clear that the lower supply makes people more excited, which makes XRP on to keep a close eye on as the cryptocurrency market grows. But how does this process of burning work? You probably don't know that. At the heart of XRP is a unique mechanism that can change the future of the environment. When compared to other coins, XRP's combustion mechanism in goal is not to make XRP naturally deflationary, but to reduce the spam on the next. This system tries to stop useless and bad behavior on the XRP ledger by destroying a small amount of XRP through transaction fees. Now let's look at the burn rate in more detail, as it is a very important part of this process. The R rate, which is set at 10 drops per transaction, changes a lot depending on how many deals. Just to give you an idea, one XRP equal to 1 million drops. So each exchange basically burns a very small amount of XP. The low transaction fee is a long-term plan to protect the network security and stability by lowering the total amount of XP that is available over time. To put it simply, the burning process works and raises the price of our beloved cryptocurrency, which keeps it in perpetual motion while people are interested in the XR people. Looking further into the future, the burn process could become an important factor that changes how the XRP market works as a whole. The idea that XR could run out of supply makes us think about value, scarcity, and its possible place in the world of cryptocurrencies. There is more going on than just money trade on this trip. Instead, it was a smart choice that will help XRP change over the next few years, as many people find the history of XRP's burn rate to be an interesting story of growth and resilience. For several months, the burn rate has been steadily going up, which means that the network system is continuing to move the XR point depletion process forward. Still, the story takes an exciting turn when we focus on the last few days of December 2023. At this point, the burn rate went up more noticeably, which caught the attention of people in the cryptocurrency world. This jump, which wasn't just a one time event, was mostly caused by more spam transactions on the XRP ledger. The high burn rate was mostly caused by the fact that the network was in the middle of a crazy inscription rush. The last few days of December put the XRP ledger to a stress test that showed how well it handles bad behavior and discourages it while also pushing the ledger to its limits. During times of high demand and problems, the XRP ecosystem shows how resilient it is. This sets the stage for a more resilient and safe network in the future.